Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. OMG, this is so good. This is so unbelievable. I'm going to be showing you a chart for Bitcoin that we could be seeing a huge rise. This could be almost like 750% rise for Bitcoin. And if this chart pans out, and it could pan out, this could be unbelievable. This could be huge. This could be freaking awesome for Dogecoin, for Shiba Inu, for Bitcoin, for crypto, for you. And this could create millionaires overnight, guys. So if you want to find out what that is, what you're going to have to do is watch this video to the end. Don't forget to smash the likes and share this video. And remember, none of this is financial advice. And do go back and watch all my other videos. Howdy, guys. Welcome. It's a great time to be live, guys. So what is going on right now? If we take a look at the pre-markets right now, the pre-markets are looking okay. We've seen some green across the board, so that is not too shabby considering we still got some banking contagion and stuff going on. So we are seeing that the pre-markets are looking pretty good. Don't forget we got the big the FOMC meeting tomorrow, and that is going to call the new interest rates out there. So even though that the First Republic Bank has been bailed out and all this kind of stuff, and people have been told, look, other banks have been told, look, you've got to buy it up. You can see that overall, it looks like the sentiment has not reversed for a First Republic, and at the end of the day, the stock is still down a whopping 47.11%. So people have just lost confidence in the banking system, and it's not a good look out there, guys. Absolutely not a good look out there. So right now, you can see that this is the first FRC, First Republic Bank out there, and you can see that banks right now are indistinguishable from Dogecoin. This is the chart of First Republic and not the chart of Terra Luna Classic. Now, it's just kind of interesting out there that, when Terra Luna Classic dumped, the authorities are like after Dogecoin, trying to track him down. But why is it that banks can do that and nothing happens to them? It's kind of interesting out there. It is just weird and wacky out there. Looks like ex-Credit Suisse CEO's Bitcoin bubble call backfires. So way back when, Credit Suisse was saying, look, Bitcoin is a bubble, it's going to not be worth anything. And guess what? Here we are today, and looks like the shoe is on the other foot, because we can see that Bitcoin is strong like crazy, and it's going up, guys. It's going up, and I'm going to be showing you some charts for Bitcoin that we could be seeing a huge 5 to 700% increase in the Bitcoin price if this happens. And this typically happens every cycle. So this is kind of interesting, guys. I think it's absolutely interesting, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes and show some love out there. And also too, our friend Janet, who, says the government could backstop more deposit if necessary to stop the contagion. So it looks like out there they could be backstopping more and more banks that collapse. So how are they going to backstop? Where are they going to get the casherino from? I don't know. Hit print, guys. Print. So that is what's going to be going on, and that's just going to increase inflation like crazy. So interesting, guys. Uninsured deposits by bank right now. We got BNY Mellon. 97% of all deposits at BNY Mellon are not insured. Let that sink in. FDIC insurance is anything below $250,000. SVB, 94% not insured. Let that sink in. State Street, 91% not insured. Signature, 90%. Northern Trust, 83%. Citigroup, 77% of all deposits are not insured. HSBC Holdings, 73%. First Republic, 68%. East West Bancorp, 66%. And Calm America, guys, 63%. So there's a total now a total of $8 trillion in uninsured deposits in the United States. Roughly 40% of all deposits are uninsured. So if they have to backstop or provide insurance for this amount of money, it's going to be dismal out there. So that is what's going on. So guys, keep that in perspective. Looks like Google Trends data reveals searching for bank crisis, bank runs have skyrocketed. People are searching for these terms right now, and these are the kind of questions. What happens to my money if bank collapses? what are the negative effects of banking crisis? So this is what people are looking for. You can see this is a big spike in searching for bank failures out there, guys. So it is real. This is absolutely real out there, guys. Keep in mind that we have the FOMC meeting that's happening tomorrow. 26%, 26.2% are saying, look, no rate increases, nothing's going to happen. 73.8 are saying there's going to be 25 basis points. So we're going to be talking about that because Elon Musk did chime in about that. Elon Musk absolutely did chime in about that. So we're going to be jumping into that. Guys, keep in mind, we got 1 day, 6 hours, and 19 minutes out there. So it looks like that central bank rates this week, it looks like we're going to have Brazil, Paraguay, Iceland are going to be chiming in. We got these countries on Tuesday. They've already passed, and Thursday. So, Elon Musk, he just kind of came out. Bill Ackerman kind of said, look, that he's suggesting that the Fed should pause all rate hikes on Wednesday. He goes into a lot of, diatribe about this and about that. And then Elon Musk said the Fed needs to drop the rate by 50 basis points on Wednesday, because if they don't, and if they increase by 25 basis points, it's not going to help. It's absolutely not going to help, and we could see more banking failures happening on Wednesday, guys. So that is what Elon Musk is saying. Also, Elon Musk is chiming in here. Breaking news: officials are studying ways to let FDIC, temporary insured deposits, beyond 250,000 cap on most accounts without having to get approval. This is needed to stop bank runs out there. So this is absolutely needed, because we're seeing right now a lot of the smaller banks are having bank runs because the customers are scared that they're going to pull out the deposit, and we are seeing that more and more smaller banks users are pulling out their deposits and moving into big banks like Citicorp, etc. So this is going to have a negative effect out there, and we could see more and more bank failures. So when it comes to cryptocurrency right now, we are seeing that Bitcoin right now is above 28,032. So from that perspective, that is good. And one of the reasons we're seeing that the Bitcoin is still pumping, still going up, guys, is because people are still fearful, people are still afraid, and we're seeing more and more money moving into Bitcoin because they don't know what to do. There's only two great hedges against what is going on right now. That is gold and Bitcoin. So right now, according to CoinMarketCap, we're seeing Bitcoin's at $28,000. That is pretty good. That's down 0.76% from where we were at its high peak today. We're seeing Ethereum is down as well, 1.1%. We're seeing that the BNB is down slightly. We're seeing XRP is up, so that is pretty good. Some good news about the court case. We're getting closer and closer. We're seeing Cardano is down. Polygon is down. We're seeing Dogecoin is also down, and it looks like Solana is down as well. So that's what's going on. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is down, and most of the altcoins are down right now out over there. And we're seeing that the Bitcoin dollars is going up, guys, at 46.5%, and Ethereum dollars is also just kind of neutral out there. And we're down 1.09%. That's about $1.7 trillion out there, guys. So that is what's going on. If you take a look at the fear and greed, it's at 68. The fear and greed is looking very, very good out there. The US dollar index, we're still seeing the US dollar is dropping. That is good. That's what we want to see for crypto. SPX is up yesterday. I think we're going to have a positive green day as well. Take a look at what is going on for Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is at $28,194 on the Binance chart. That is pretty good. It is just above the $28,000 level. If we could stay above $28,000 for 24 hours, this is going to be positive. This is absolutely going to be positive, and this will send Bitcoin up to our next resistance level of $30,000. So I think $30,000 is just coming around the corner. Take a look at gold, guys. Since we've had the banking collapse here, this is the whole banking collapse here, we have seen that gold out there has increased in value considerably, and we're seeing that gold right now has gone up from the banking collapse, and it's gone up almost around about 8%. So that is not too bad. And we're seeing that an ounce of gold right now is trading at $1,966. So you can see more people right now are moving their assets into Bitcoin and gold right now, and that's creating a backstop for them out there. So Ethereum right now is also starting to gain some traction out there, and we still have a lot of resistance at around about $1,800. but we are seeing a little bit of a bull flag being painted here. A little bit of a bull, I think there's a bull flag here, and hopefully we can break out of the resistance of $1,800 and see $1,900 to $2,000 coming in for Ethereum. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what you should be thinking. Looks like 1.02 trillion Shiba Inu bought by ship whales as large bag of Shiba Inu gets burnt. So we are seeing that more whales are getting more positive out there, and we're seeing that the ETH whale, blue whale 073, just bought over $1.2 million worth of Shiba Inu out there, and they have moved it to a private custodial wallet. So looks like they're buying, guys, and I think that one of the reasons that they're buying SHIB is because they know that SHIB is going to reverse out there, guys. So that is pretty good. And just after they bought it, we did see that this is a nice wick to the upside on the daily, and we're seeing that Shiba Inu right now is at 1046. So if we can get a more breakout of Bitcoin, we should see a return of Shiba Inu to 11 out there. So that is good news out there. Looks like Bloomberg analyst says Bitcoin undergoing fundamental paradigm shift as U.S. banking system falters. So what that is all about is, like I said, as we have more banks failure, as we have more contagions, or even if banks are physically not failing right now, but there is the thought, there is the sentiment that people are not happy, people are distrustful out there, we're going to be seeing a huge paradigm shift. And that is why we're going to get hyperization of Bitcoin, and we could see more and more people adopting Bitcoin, buying into gold. We're seeing gold prices are going up right now. We're seeing Bitcoin going up, and that is why we are going to be talking about this huge indicator that could indicate that we could see Bitcoin going up 500 to 700% out there. So we're going to be talking about that, guys. But we're seeing that Bloomberg analyst says that Bitcoin is undergoing a fundamental paradigm shift as the U.S. banking system falters, and a lot of people are pouring it. I mean, even friends that have no idea about crypto, no idea about it, they're asking me how to do it, what's going on. Remember, do you out there, this is not financial advice, guys. Also too, here it is, guys, Bitcoin weekly prior impulse pass. Looking at the 4 prior impulses, these were the range of outcomes when superimposed over today's market. So time frames, May to August 2023, price range. Right now we're seeing a price range coming in between a low impulse of 60K here to a high impulse, and we're talking May, August. So May to August, based on this, we could see a high of about $180,000 coming in, 111,000, 170,000, 157. So that is going to be the range. Anybody saying Bitcoin can't do this or that hasn't started the pass. So these are based on the weekly prior impulse pass from previous cycles and imposed on here. And I also believe that this is huge, guys. This is freaking huge. We could be seeing possibly May, August, a minimum of 60K coming in, or we could see a high side of $180,000, guys. So interesting. Smack the likes, comment. What do you think? Do you think by the end of August, what price range you think is going to be coming in for Bitcoin? I'd love to hear what you got to say out there, guys. And also too, interesting factoid, Justin. People who started DCAing into Bitcoin at 69,000 all-time high are now up 10%. So that is why I always like to remind people, not financial advice, you can never time the freaking tops. You can never time the freaking bottoms. If you just dollar cost average over time, you'll win. And remember, don't forget to take profits, don't forget to pay yourself. But guys, keep in mind that if you had dollar cost average at 69,000, and you dollar cost average on a weekly basis, you would now be up 10% in profit, guys. So that is huge. That is a huge example of why DCA works. Bailouts are no problem according to Powell, because Bitcoin is a solution, because this snowflake chucklehead, he's just gonna push print, guys. Bitcoin is the solution, in my opinion. And don't sleep on Bitcoin, guys. Don't sleep on Bitcoin. And it looks like Bitcoin has been in a form of structure containing systematic regular bear and bull channel, as well as parabolic bull is following them. So looks like we could be seeing that Bitcoin could hit all-time highs at the end of 2023, based on this structure, based on what we've seen before, we could see 70K coming in based on this deviation structure, guys. So guys, the writing is there, guys. I think we could hit all-time highs. Nobody expected all of this banking contagion, and there's a huge Bitcoin paradigm shift. And also, guys, I've been talking about the Wyckoff pattern. The Wyckoff pattern is still in play, and we could be seeing that the market phase will be incredible, and we could be seeing all-time highs coming in for Bitcoin, guys. Dogecoin Fear and Greed is at 56. We talked about this earlier, guys. Dogecoin Elon Musk will be on the winning team. Are you on the winning team? Don't forget, we still got so much catalyst for Dogecoin coming. It's just a matter of time. Time. Right now, for the price of Dogecoin, guys, Dogecoin is sitting at 0.723. It's pretty much unchanged today. Doge has kind of been pretty much range bound between a high of a low of 0.715 out there. And so it is looking pretty good, guys. Absolutely looking pretty good, holding its own out there. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is down 2% at 0.7232. Not too shabby, not too shabby. We're seeing the volumes are down as well. A lot of people are still waiting for the FOMC, the rate hikes, what's going to be happening out there. So there's a lot of money still staying on the sidelines out there, guys. So that's what's going on. But I believe the bulls will take over. The bulls will absolutely take over on Bitcoin, and we're going to see on Dogecoin, and we're going to see not only a Dogecoin but also a Bitcoin surge, guys. Just a matter of time, guys. So keep holding. Do not panic out there. It's an absolutely great time to be live, guys. So this is going to bring this video to a close, guys and gals. Do not forget, guys, to go follow me on my Twitter, guys. We got 6,816 follows. Follow. Smash the likes like crazy out there, guys. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. So I will see you in the next one, guys. Be blessed, be well. I'll see you next one. Peace out.